Okay, for wedge, this one's very, very easy. The only thing you're gonna have to consider is how big you really want the wedge to be. Now, the marble is about 1.5 centimeters, which is 15 by 15 by 15 because it's millimeters. That's the conversion from millimeters to centimeters. Um, so what I think is a good idea is obviously you're going to want the wedge to be probably taller than this. So this is really totally up to you. Something you can do if you are thinking about it like this is you can kind of just rotate it 90 degrees. You don't have to do it like this and just put it on the plate. So you can kind of visualize what the wedge would really look like. Uh, you, I'd recommend just printing it as if it's just standing up. It's probably a better idea. I'm going to see the angle just doesn't really make a lot of sense to. I don't want you to put it like this because there's a very high likelihood that part of it isn't touching the plate, and that's going to mess a lot of things up. But it does kind of help you think about what the width would be like. So if this is 15, this is 20, think about what the inclined plane looks like. It's probably going to make more sense if this is in the 30 to 35 range, the width, because the marble is going to come forward and hit this probably. And then when it hits it, it's going to wedge, hence why it's called a wedge, into something. So I can't stress this enough. Don't really print it like that. That was just a visual. When you print it, if you wanted to make it have a width of 35, just print it like this so it prints better. 35, and then whatever height you think is best. Remember, this is in millimeters, so this would be 3.8 centimeters. And that should print nice and easy. So that's a wedge.